In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a slider on your Squarespace website. Whether you're showcasing beautiful photography, highlighting your products, or simply wanting to add some interactive flair to your site, incorporating a slider can make all the difference. Let's dive right into the process of setting one up seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the page on your Squarespace site where you'd like to add the slider. Once you're there, look for the option to add a new section to your page. This is typically located at the bottom of your existing sections. Click on Add Section to get started. Squarespace offers a variety of section types, but for our purposes today, we'll be selecting Gallery. This is the perfect choice as it's specifically designed to handle image collections, which is exactly what we need for a slider. Once you've selected the Gallery section, you'll then need to choose a layout style. Squarespace provides a couple of options that work well for sliders. You might opt for Slideshow Full, which displays images in a large, immersive format, or Slideshow Reel, which presents them in a more compact style, allowing users to scroll through your images horizontally. Consider the overall aesthetic of your site and the amount of space you have available to decide which layout will complement your design best. Now it's time to upload your images. Click on the little pencil icon that appears in the Gallery section. This will open up the editor where you can begin adding your visuals. Aim to upload high-resolution images for the best effect. High-quality images not only look more professional, but also ensure that your slider stands out and engages your audience effectively. As you upload each image, you'll have the opportunity to rearrange them, add captions, or even link them to other pages on your site or external URLs. Take advantage of these features to enhance your slider's interactivity. Before wrapping up, take a moment to preview your slider to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile views. Squarespace allows you to switch between different device previews easily, ensuring your slider looks great no matter how your visitors are viewing your site. If anything appears off, you can always go back and make adjustments to the image order, captions, or layout until it looks perfect. And there you have it. Adding a slider to your Squarespace website is not only simple, but also a wonderful way to make your site more dynamic and visually appealing. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, modern look or something more classic, a well-placed slider can elevate your site's design and engage your visitors in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching and happy designing.